Hey everyone, today we are going to make Surat's famous cold cocoa. It's a wonderful drink for summers and an absolute treat for chocolate lovers. We'll start by heating 1 liter milk in a saucepan on medium-high heat. Add 1 cup of sugar. While the milk is coming to a simmer, we'll mix together in a bowl custard powder, corn flour, and cocoa powder. Whisk everything together. Now we'll make a slurry. Add 300 ml milk in batches until the mixture is lump free and has a pretty thin consistency. These lumps will ruin the texture of your cold cocoa. So take your time and make sure that each and every lump is dissolved. Once our milk has come to a simmer, we'll add the chocolate slurry. Stir continuously and let this come to a boil or two. And if you haven't subscribed yet, for more videos like this, go ahead and push that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell icon. Now that it coats the back of a spoon and the cornstarch is fully cooked, turn off the heat and add a splash of fresh cream. Mix it all together. Refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours until it's super chilled. Now pour into the glasses and enjoy one of the best chocolate drinks of your life.
So I need to choose me. Choose me.